Okay, right now we're sitting here at Mammoth Village, and we're about ready to, this is the backstage accommodations. We're about ready to go out and do our sound check, but let me show you around a little bit. Open this right here, you can see how beautiful this place is. That's all the stores and stuff. And there's the stage. I'm gonna go through services sound people right here, busy at work. Just listen in on what's happening. This is Leo Herrera. It's a video. It's Vernon. Listen in on what he's doing. What is it exactly that you're doing? Orale. This is the village right here. The tequila festival starting at happen. We don't go on until 8 o'clock. Vernon, you heard it? There's Ray, Arriba.